Good morning. Squirrel here. Right here with my friend Phantom. Say hi, Phantom. Look up. There she is. Look up here. There she is. Hi. Pretty, pretty girl. I have on a different jacket today. She did not recognize me at first. Wow. Where'd you go? I've forgotten just how feral she really can be. Come here. Come here. Can't believe you exposed your belly to me. That's amazing, huh? Come here. You just want your back scratched, that's all. Okay. All right, well now I gotta figure out how to stand up.